Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Hansen Lane, and you guys, I have been gearing up to revamp this channel. I spent a long time playing with my kids in the summer. I got a video camera. I got like I don't know what you call it. I hooked it up to my computer. The audio went out on it. I've been having all sorts of tech issues, but that is not going to stop me from all the things that I have been working on. As you can see, I crossed over $116,000 of sales. This is books that I've sold just through ads for Amazon KDP. And Thursday, just in 2 sleeps, I'm doing a live workshop. So all of you that are running ads and asking me questions in the comments, this is your perfect time to join this coaching call. It is a workshop. You do have lifetime access along with 5 bonuses about older to shoulder ad where I'm coaching someone through ads. I've done that multiple times with one-to-one clients. I will also be sharing how we use Amazon ads data to get ahead and also the ins and outs of how to scale a campaign. So if you are looking to magnify your book income stream, then this is for you. If you are not seeing a lot of progress for your book income stream organically, then I want you to think about if this is right for you. This is a magnification of what's already working. So it's kind of like I want you to be able to start a fire before I hand you this can of gasoline. Now, that doesn't sound safe in general, right? But I've been testing and trying and testing for 18 months straight to know what works and what doesn't work. And there's a lot of really good options when we turn on ads, especially if we've decided to compete in a competitive niche. I recently launched a program where I've been helping coaches repurpose their content and put it on Amazon. And some of the coaches have brought to me existing books where they published in a niche that had 70,000 competitors. So obviously we needed ads to be able to scale their results and get results, but this didn't happen overnight. For my experience, this 18,000 that I have spent, when you join this workshop call this week, you're learning how I scaled this, and also you're learning from all of my mistakes so you don't make them too. So over the course of 18 months, that's been about $28 a day on ads. And I have done everything in my power to use my own KDP profit royalties to put it back into here. So this is basically all I've been doing this summer when you haven't seen me online, is just in the weeds, figuring this out, trying to solve other people's problems. You can see here that I have tried out a $4,000 daily budget, $1 daily budget, $3,700 daily budget, and even a $5,000 daily budget. So there's a lot of testing going on in this campaign, campaign manager. And from this, I have come up with over 30 different strategies to scale books specifically for low content. So this works for high content. This works for medium content. But on this workshop, we're specifically focusing on people who have published notebooks, journals, coloring books, planners, diaries, activity books, math books, and maybe even children's books. We'll see who shows up for this call. We already have over 30 people registered. The great thing about this is you get lifetime access to it, and you get any of the bonuses. We have 5 bonuses that we're doing, and I'm presenting my newest program or training called the Amazon Ad Sandwich. And this is a system framework that I came up with when I realized what happens when we launch a book without ads and how we can actually close the gap for that. So this is your personal invitation from Jenny Hansen Lane. And I love you guys. I've missed you guys. I'm going to be back for you guys to support you guys and girls. And I'll see you in the next video. Also, you can join this program. You can join this workshop by going to jennyhansenlane.com/Q3. Q3, jennyhansenlane.com, Q3. Love you guys. See you in the next. Love you guys. Peace out. See you in the next video.